one dot, and one dot here, and it's like lip balm, lip gloss. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. And my name is Sushmita if you all don't know me. And in this video, I'm going to do a simple, easy, quick makeup tutorial. So yeah, I'll be using almost only 5 to 6 products. No, around 6 to 7 products for creating this look, and it is going to be really simple because sometimes you are just in a rush and you want to have that quick makeup routine that you can do whenever you have like 5 minutes. So first we are going to do my skincare routine. So for that I will just use a moisturizer. This is the moisturizer Isn't Onion New gel cream. So there are very few products that actually work for me when it comes to moisturizer, because I have dry skin type, but I don't like anything too thick because it again gives me breakout. So I have to go through the entire skincare list before I'm putting anything to my face. But this has worked really well for me. This is a bit expensive, I would say. I think I got it for 1500 or so, but this is a really nice moisturizer. If you are looking for that lightweight moisturizer which can also help with your barrier and you have sensitive skin, then you can definitely give it a try. This is a really nice moisturizer. I have applied moisturizer, and then the next step is going to be a sunscreen. So this is the Wishcare Vitamin C Pure Glow Milk Sunscreen. This is ultra lightweight. So it has kojic acid, soy milk, peptide, licorice, and hyaluronic acid. For this reason, I wanted this to really work for me. It has kojic acid and licorice. Licorice. I think pronunciation is correct, like licorice. Okay, so these two products are there to fade off any hyperpigmentation that you have, and that is going to give you the glow. And it also has soy milk peptide, which is going to give you that uh, which is going to help to strengthen your skin barrier and also to like give you that plump look. Plus it has hyaluronic acid, which again is going to give you that plump look. But I don't really enjoy the sunscreen. First of all, the texture is really runny, as you all can see. So if you are in a hurry and you want a sunscreen, this is definitely not the one you would like to use, because it definitely takes some time to blend, because this is runny texture. Once it's absorbed, it really feels like nothing, as it claims that it is definitely ultra lightweight, but it definitely takes a lot of time to just absorb, and you have to massage it nicely. And obviously with this sunscreen, you don't know, usually we know that we have to apply two finger rule or 3 finger at maximum. But with this sunscreen, how can you, like, with this texture, we cannot say that how much to apply. So I usually, what I do is I like to go in like twice or 3 times. Like I like to apply it 2 to 3 times so that my skin is nicely protected. That is number one. And the second problem with this sunscreen is the fact that once it gets into your eyes, suppose accidentally, obviously it has happened to me twice, if it gets into your eyes, it is going to give you the worst eye irritation. It, even if you wash your skin or you put tons and tons of water in your eyes, still that irritation doesn't goes away. It, like, once it got into my eyes, and the first time it got into my eyes, the irritation was there for the whole day. Yeah, for the whole day. It was so, like, it was so difficult just to open my eyes, and my eyes became red. So that is why I hate this. Obviously when you are applying sunscreen, you have to apply it in your neck and also underneath your eyes, because your eye around the skin around your eyes are like really thin, so you have to make sure that you get there. So yeah, I think I'm done with my skin prep. This is what I do for my skincare routine, and that's it. I hope you all can see my skin. My skin has been prepped. and that's all I'm going to do. And let's start with my makeup. So first I like to use this. So this is a foundation, I would say, but this feels like a skin tint. This is the K Beauty foundation. This is hydrating and this is really lightweight. I really like this foundation. It doesn't feel like foundation. I'll show you the texture of this. I take around 2 pump. I think that much is going to be enough. So this is how the texture is. This is in the shade 120Y. So if you are wondering, that's the shade. And this is my, so I will be using a brush. So you can use a brush or a beauty blender. The beauty blender is going to give you a better finish, but I like to use a brush. First of all, it absorbs less product. Your skin is going to peek through. Your dark spots is going to be visible. It is not going to completely cover it, but at the same time your skin is going to look like skin, as you all can see. So my skin is doing pretty good. uh, the next step, I'm going to use a concealer. This is the concealer that I'm going to use. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I really like this concealer. This wand is really nice. So I'm going to put this concealer, not too much. I'm not going to apply too much of concealer. I'm going to do one dot, one dot, one dot, one dot, and one dot here, and that's it. This much should do. I'm just going to blend everything in. I'm going to use the same brush. Okay, now if you have any dark spots, you can also spot conceal it with a concealer. I'm once again going to blend everything together. Yeah, that's it. That's all we are going to do for the base. And then I'm going to use this blush. This is from K Beauty, their creme blush in the shade. I think the shade name, yeah, it's Sweetheart Pink. What I like to do is I like to take some on the back of my hand, like this much. Then I'm going to blend everything with this brush, and then I'm going to apply it. And this is how I'm going to apply. So I'm going to buff everything out because I don't want my face to look like I have applied a lot of blush, because I do have blush blindness. But let's see. Yeah, I think this much would do. Hmm, yeah. After that, I'm going to do my brows. I don't use, okay, it's about my eyebrows. A lot of you might be having this question, like you all can see I don't do my eyebrows. I never once in my lifetime I have got my eyebrows done, because I'm really scared, to be honest, because face ka one of the prominent feature is your eyebrows. Obviously the hair definitely is going to grow back again, तो इसमें डरने की कोई बात नहीं है, but yeah, I just don't feel confident enough as of now to get my eyebrows done, but maybe in future I'll get it done. Yeah, with that said, I'm going to do my eyebrows and just brush everything up. So इससे ना you are not going to, your eyebrows is not going to stay just like that for very long. So मैं next I'm going to use, देखते हैं क्या use करते हैं. Yeah, I'm going to use this mascara. It is a Hyper Curl Easy, what, द हाइपर कर्ल मेबेलिन न्यूयॉर्क का मस्कारा है ये, ठीक है. सो इसमें ना दिस हैज रिटन एज लाइक इजी वॉश. सो ये it comes in two variants. One is the waterproof and another one is this one which is like washable. So I don't like to use the waterproof one because वो लगाते वक्त ना it looks really good and it is waterproof, but वो निकालते वक्त it becomes really messy. So I try to avoid that. But I really like this one. This is the Hyper Curl Mascara. So I'll use this one. So again, this is an optional step. You can totally skip this one if you want. Okay. I think we're done with that. Okay guys, so for the next step, I'm going to use a compact. Now this step is completely optional because you can leave it just like that. But if you want that little bit of extra coverage, then you can definitely try a compact. I'm going to use this compact from K Beauty. So I'll just leave the place जहाँ पे भी मैंने blush लगाया, except that I'm going to put it all over. Okay. So this is going to be the next step, or in the end, this is like the last step. I'll give you four options. Okay. So this is like the four options that you can try as the last step. So let's try this one. I think this is something a lot of people will be having with them. So it's almost finished, but let's see whatever I get it like. This is a really nice lip gloss. So yeah, that will give you the most natural lips. And this is in the shade, okay, barely there. Actually, it looks like something that is barely there on your lips. But this is the lipstick, lip balm, lip gloss. This is again, this gives you that lips, like the most natural lips. And if you don't want anything glossy, then you can definitely look go for this one as well. This is in the shade, I love those, shade Cherry Lime. So this is how it looks. That's it. So this is the final look. Okay, so this is my pretty much my makeup routine. So if you like this video, then do hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends, and do comment in the section whether which one of these products are you going to try. Are you going to try this makeup for yourself, or you are thinking of getting something from this makeup routine, like you're thinking of getting some product from this routine? And have you tried anything from this routine already, or what is your current skincare routine? You can comment that in the comment section below, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.